मला इंग्रजी शिकूया या अंतर्गत आज आपण गजानन बोधे सरांच्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी क्रमांक 8 कडे वळणार आहोत। तुम्ही कशी तयारी केली आहे ते आपण पाहूया।
Hello Ishwari, good morning. Hello Kalyani, good morning. How are you Ishwari? I am fine Kalyani and thank you. Ishwari, what day is it today? Today is Monday Kalyani. Ishwari, what day was it? Yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. Ishwari, what day will it be tomorrow? Kalyani, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Ishwari, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week, Kalyani. Ishwari, what day comes after Tuesday? Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Ishwari, what day comes after? Ishwari, what day comes before Friday? Thursday comes before Friday, Kalyani.
थँक्यू। कल्याणी, प्रश्न विचारताना थोडंसं कॉन्सन्ट्रेट ठेवायचं। बाकी छान केला, प्रयत्न केला तुम्ही। थँक्यू।